Good morning, students. So here are your home assignments from the previous class where I have already added the answer. So students, please note down these answers in your notebook. Now let us start with our today's class. So in our previous class itself, we have already finished the first three types of pronouns, which are personal pronoun, interrogative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. Now we are going to make a detailed discussion on the next two types of pronouns, which are reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Here by now I am starting with the examples of reflexive pronouns. So first of all, read out the examples that have been listed here. Number 1, be careful not to cut yourself with that knife. Number 2, our cat washes itself after every meal. And number 3, we baked the cake by ourselves. The students, here the highlighted words that are yourself, itself and ourselves are the reflexive pronouns, as they are signifying, means they are the direct object of the subjects of the sentences. Say for example, in the first example, yourself is the direct object of the subject of the sentence, that is you, which is not mentioned here. Then number 2, itself is the direct object of the cat, and the last one, ourself, is the direct object of the pronoun we. So now from here we got to know that reflexive pronouns are used where the object of the verb is also the subject of the verb. Now here I have listed the reflexive pronouns for all of you, and I have divided it in singular and plural forms. So in the singular forms, the subject I will become myself in reflexive pronouns. Then me will become myself in reflexive pronoun. Then you will become yourself, he will become himself, him will become himself, she will be herself, and it will be itself. Now the plural forms of the subjects and their reflexive pronouns. So the plural subjects are we, us, you, they, them, and their respective reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourself, and themselves. Now let us go to the examples of emphatic noun. So read out the examples that have been given here. Number 1 is I myself solved this puzzle game. Number 2, she herself proposed him. Next, he himself went to Pizza Hut. And the last one, you yourself said that my site will never suffer a downtime. Now students, let me tell you the definition of an emphatic pronoun. So an emphatic pronoun consists of person, pronoun and self or selves. It is used to emphasize a noun and usually precedes the noun it refers to. So students, in this example itself you can see that the emphatic pronouns consist of a personal pronoun, and the personal pronouns that have been mentioned here are I, she, he and you, and they are preceded by the self or selves, means a pronoun that include self or selves. Say for example, in the first example it is myself, then herself, himself, yourself, etc. So means in the emphatic pronoun, first of all you will get the personal pronouns, and with it here come the pronouns with self or selves, and in this case it will be your emphatic pronoun. But students, don't get confused that yourself, herself, himself will be reflexive pronouns, because in reflexive pronoun there will be no more other pronouns like personal pronoun, interrogative, demonstrative, etc. But in emphatic pronoun, at the very beginning of the sentence there will be a personal pronoun, and then the emphatic pronoun will precede it. Now I hope you have understood the emphatic pronoun, and here are the list of the emphatic pronouns. They are myself, yourself, ourselves, themselves, himself, herself, etc. And always remember that when the pronouns precedes a personal pronoun, then only it will be an emphatic pronoun, otherwise it will be reflexive one. So now students, I hope that you have understood the reflexive and emphatic pronoun properly, but still if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Now students, these are your home assignments for today's class. So please try to do it by yourself, and I am going to give you the answers of these home assignments in tomorrow's class. As for now, thank you so much.